know when your last cycle was? Do you need a regular cycle to help you know when you need to rendezvous with your partner? Well, I've got a simple tip that I learned while running the free clinic abroad in India, and that is that you can be generous with your parsley. You can put lots of parsley into your soups and salads and so forth, or your smoothies, or you can take dried parsley and put it into your drinks and also your teas. Now, what parsley does is that it helps regulate the hormones so it can induce a period. So do consider this, and I want you to consider doing this, if not daily, a couple times a week till you get 3 consistent cycles. And in addition to that, let me share with you an acupressure tip that you can also do. What I want you to do is take both fingers and I want you to go to the temple, and we're going to do this together for the next minute. I want you to simply, with pressure, as much or a little pressure as you would like, and I want you to go ahead and acupress. And I want you to do this for the next couple of minutes, and I want you to do this until you also get 3 regular cycles. Do it daily. And in fact, if you go to our YouTube series, you'll see lots of different teas and recommendations and acupressure tips. I want you to pick any one of them, some of them, and do them daily till you get 3 regular cycles. Now, why does this specifically help you regulate your cycle? Well, this helps reduce stress. And when your cortisol levels go down, guess what? You've got a lot more available hormone to help you to balance out estrogen, progesterone, FSH, and LH to help you to regulate your cycle, similar to the way the parsley is also working in your body to help you have a regular cycle and for you to know your fertility windows so that you may rendezvous with your partner and have the benefits that you desire. Keep this in mind, check out our YouTube series, and I wish you all the best and looking and feeling your best with confidence. From your acupuncturist friend, Anita Tatavarthi.